morning, ladies and gentlemen, special guests and honorary guests, for allowing me the pleasure of doing this presentation today. It is an honour and an opportunity to be able to do so, and I do appreciate the time to be able to expose you to XCMG for those that don't know it. We are an OEM Chinese organisation supplied to the mining sector equipment as one of the alternatives in the industry, and we are one of the top three in the industry. So just to go through this presentation with you, XCMG, in 2022 we completed a stock market overall listing. And so we restructured the whole business with a focus more so into the mining sector, and become a public company and one of the largest Chinese listed companies in China. The industry itself, being quite a large industry, has always been a little bit closed to the Chinese, the Western market in relation to the Chinese business sector. We have planned to open those doors and to prove to the industry that we're able to give another alternative, which hasn't been really given to the extent that we're offering it in the past. So XCMG is the third largest construction mining manufacturer in the world. We're number one in China. We currently have been number one in China for the last 34 years consecutive. Annual 5% of operating revenue is invested back into R&D. We have over 45,000 employees, 20% of them are in R&D. Our operating revenue is over $18 billion. Our brand value is worth approximately $15.2 billion. We're ranked number 386 in the world out of the top 500 companies. So the products cover more than 17 categories, 100 industries, and more than 1,000 varieties of equipment, which is quite substantial. We cover, apart from the mining and construction sector, excavators, on-off-road highway, port equipment, firefighting, road construction, concrete construction, and many, many, many more. Overseas revenue accounts for 40% of the business. Export to countries and regions over 191, 330 plus distributors around the world. Our main manufacturing bases, there's 30 plus: China, Germany, Austria, USA, Poland, India, etc., and growing year by year quite extensively. So the new era in our company as an organisation, Mr. Yang Dongchang is our new chairman. So we basically have a new board in process which sort of went along with the public listing of the company in China. So our decision-making process is quite clear and quite precise and quick. We have supervising committees to give advice to the board, incentive platforms, both for staff and through the organisation. And we're market-orientated and accountable-based processes and procedures to adhere to the market demand and grow with the market. So our new strategy moving forward is to build a world-class entity, with high-end growth with intelligence. The green section is quite the top of our list in what we are doing currently. Our service and technology needs to be second to none, and we believe it is. Our internationalisation program is at the forefront to grow our business. So, you know, through China, they've recognised that to grow their business, they have to develop it right around the world. And this region is one of the highest on their list to be able to develop through PNG in Australia. So we're quite lucky and fortunate to be right at the forefront of that. And so it's exciting times for us as an organisation. So our new goals. We want to be number 2 OEM in the world by 2027. A huge challenge, one that we don't take lightly, but believe we can achieve. We're chasing 50% revenue to come from international overseas markets by 2027. Our aim as an organisation in our field is to be number 1 by 2030 and 2035. As you can appreciate, that is a huge challenge, but one we're confident that we can achieve. How do we do that? We do that through high quality of product, not just product, but people on the ground, the support mechanism, the whole organisation. We have to make sure the quality right through the whole sector, we meet the standards. We control our risk, so we make sure that there's no wastage. We adhere to what's required in the industry. We want to be a world-class company. We want to prove to people that we are there to support all the regions, especially this region, support PNG and the Australian market to be able to grow and develop as we move forward. And we need consistent growth. And consistent growth is coming consistent all the time, especially with these projects in PNG. We recognise that this is a massive growth area for us, and it also is in Australia at the moment as well. So as a part of our XCMG family between Australia and PNG, it's really exciting times for us to move forward. So we have new challenges as we move into this growth area. Our previous overseas markets are now divided into 14 new regions, so we've changed the structure of our whole regions. Obviously Oceania, Indonesia, Central Asia, etc. We strategically did that to have more control and control our growth, because at the moment our growth is quite exceptional. And the only way to do that is regionalise it into proper breakdown of areas to be able to support, number one, the Oceania area and what we are trying to achieve to supporting countries like PNG and Australia. So the philosophy that we take to heart as a company, as an organisation, which we love to share with people, is our vision. So we want to have more trust, more than support, responsive and non-stop, aim for 100% availability. A big call, but we need to aim at 100%. We have values. Our mission is for high quality, reliability, service and high technologies. We are always proactively driven and create values for our customers and everyone around us. Our motto at the moment we put into play in 2023 is solid to succeed. We're reliable and trustworthy. We want to be a trustworthy company. We want to put our best foot forward to become what OEMs used to be in the past. And we recognise there's now gaps in the market. People aren't being supported like they should be supported. We have the opportunity to create that now and make the others realise what they're missing out on, which is what we're currently doing. Our excellence in technology and service. it's a responsibility for us to be able to supply and give what we're talking about and the demand that we're trying to achieve and build on, and as a successful organisation. Empowering the people around us, we're dedicated to our customer base. It creates power and responsibility to be able to support people, and it gives people recognition that we are here and we treat our personnel as such. So the new culture that we have at hand is we strive to bring XCMG machinery to the world. We're determined and driven to win and achieve what we are set out to do. We do it with integrity, sincerity, and trustworthy and loyalty. Those words for us mean a lot. We enhance that in our staff every day. It's a part of their onboarding. This is what we're about. This is what we want to be. This is our future. This segregates us from others in the market. People have lost that, like I said before. Family, our customers, our dealers, suppliers, nations. We call everybody a part of the XCMG family. Once you come on board with us, you're a part of the family. You have access to the whole of our organisation, from ground level right through to executive level. We don't forget anybody. So all our staff members, we're all at one mindset. We all have the same at heart. We all want to achieve. We think we're pioneers. We really pioneer the industry with what we have to offer, which is quite significant. So the new CSR, Global Social Responsibility. We're developing infrastructure, construction and employment, global excellence. We're first there in disaster relief. We've watered people's lives around the world where, clean water is needed. We've involved in educational projects, health projects around the planet. And we have green industry standards for ourselves and are developing that market as we speak on a day-to-day basis.
ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಾನು ನಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್.
So just a little video on what we actually do across the world for different nations. You know, supply water, mosquito nets, all the basic things that, you know, we take for granted on a day-to-day. It's, you know, as a person working for the organisation, I find it overwhelming the fact that they're prepared to do that, and they do that. So I'm quite proud of that fact. So the digital transformation, we're putting systems into place, GSS, CSM, all sorts of Salesforce, SAP systems. We're putting these into place to grow our business, to meet the expectation of the market, to provide better service and better quality technologies, basically, to keep up with the demand.
Empathy was digital. Intelligence as a wave. Digital wave spurs new growth momentum. Perceiving the era and integrating with innovation. Digital, intelligent, and human-oriented service ecology keeps creating in-depth value, increasing efficiency for users, interacting with the future, and future gathers potential for high-quality development of the manufacturing industry. Focus on high-end, intelligent, green, service-oriented, international transformation and upgrading, coupled with data integration, bilateral connectivity, profound industrial accumulation and enterprise wisdom. XCMG strives to build a digital intelligent service platform. XCMG Customer Service Management, CSM. Intelligent customer service. Handling status is under control all the time, from service application to completion assessment, explicit and visible throughout the process. Thanks to automatic record of service timeline, intelligent early warning, guided service, and intelligent self-built work order based on maintenance rules, service efficiency is improved in an all-round manner. Diverse service support. Efficient collaborative open platform offers XCMG Professional, standardized and timely service solutions. It assists dealers to accurately learn product information, master product maintenance skills, and continually enhance customer service satisfaction. Digital service business builds up various efficient tools, while accurate data support is available in service resource allocation, service quality optimization, and more, thereby supporting service management ability of dealers. Human-oriented service experience. Multiple logging approaches enable mobile office anytime, anywhere. App can achieve whole process operation of service business, support offline mode, and improve work collaboration efficiency. 6 language versions and international public cloud technology aid in global customer experience efficiently. With 100,000 plus product files, 5,000 plus varieties of products, 8,000 plus failure models, plus integrated full cycle service data of products. Digital intelligent high-end platform empowers service, increase the value of products, and boosts mutual sharing and benefits of partners across the globe.
So just quickly, my apologies for running behind time. Yeah, we have a green strategy in place. That green strategy is quite advanced at the moment. We have certificates of quality right through a footprint of our construction machinery industry, which we've been awarded over many years. We've got trucks. We do one-road trucks electric battery trucks currently, which we have in New Zealand, wheel loaders. Our mining equipment, we're actually quite advanced. We have prototypes of these at the moment, running. So obviously our autonomous and electric trucks are in use at the moment as well. I think they're around a 90-tonne truck. And obviously, you know, we run systems to be able to support these on the sites as well. So at the moment we have, you know, 7.1 billion hours of data, over 700,000 assets being monitored. And this just gives you a little bit of an idea of some of our facilities that we currently have in Australia. And that's our footprint around Australia at the moment. So just quickly, currently we have import, Moresby and lay facilities to support the PNG, expansions into Otegi, Manhagan and Kokopo. We're supporting that with strong service technology, spare parts, on-ground service, as well as tech service behind the scenes. Our short delivery times, as little as 2 months, for right across the board for equipment, second to none in the industry. Our current team in PNG is growing, with both locals and expats. From Australia's point of view, we offer full support to the PNG projects. In Australia at the moment, we're exposed. Rio Tinto, Fortescue, BHP are just a part of who are developing with us, and our green energy sector is second to none. So thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it. Have a good day and enjoy your Christmas. Thank you.